And she also told me about a very unusual story happening while waiting for a train in the station in their town. And one of the elder Jewish men from her community that she knew from seeing him at synagogue or other places around, because the neighbors pretty much all knew each other in a pretty good-sized community. And some of the Polish youngsters who used to like to torment their counterparts and people they didn't know or didn't like or didn't want around kept teasing this elderly man who had a long beard. And it made my mother very uncomfortable, and she remembered how uneasy she felt at the time. And she tried to look away and then realized they had set his beard on fire with a lit match. And she said that image never, ever left her memory. So that was in her, young, probably teenage years of growing up.